A good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 1st, 2023, the first Friday of the month. I've already done a speed test with the regular puzzles, but in this additional, we have four puzzles, and the first puzzle I've already solved is a 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and the last puzzle is the puzzle I will continue is the 4-star Sudoku number 7022. Yes, 7022. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars, we don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 3 2s, we have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8, 4 8s. Well, and 2 3 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 8? That's my question. Yes, 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above from that row. Only 2 places left for the 8 to be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing. 2 6 7 2 6 7 2 6 7 2 6 7. And look, we have 6 and 7 in the third column, so no 6 and the 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2. Okay. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this row could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here, 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Let me think. Now I cannot continue with the 2. How about 5 5? I need a 6 here. Okay. 6. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Okay. I need to think. Need a 9 here. Need a 3. No. Need a 3 here. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 7. Need a 7. Need a 1 here. And I need 4, 4, 4, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this third row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6, 6. Then 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 8, 8. Yeah. Thinking. 4, 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there, okay. The 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 and an 8. Yeah. We have a pair here. The 1 and an 8 in this column. The 1 and 8 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. That means here we have a pair, the 6 and the 7 here. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. Need a 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, and we have also a 5 here. That means in this row we need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, 9, 9, okay. 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Then 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for number 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a. Oh, wait. No, we have a 6 already. 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Not 4 and a 6, 4 and the 8 are missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. 4. We have a pair. 4 and a 6 in the third row. 4 and a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 8 is missing. So we have a 8. Oh, wait. 8 here. 6. Need to think. Come on. Need the 5 here. Alright. So we have here the 5, the 3, and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 179. 179. Need a 4 here. Come on. 3 and a 7. 3, 7 and 5. 3, 7 and 1. Three missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 and the 7 are missing. 137, 137, 137. And look, we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here 3 in that column. No 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the second row should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 7. So we're 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. So 5 in this column, 5 last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this column. For the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the third, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Then 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with a 7 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Yeah, oh no, 1 number left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, 2, yes, 2, 2, 2. Correct, finish in 15 minutes. Wow, don't think it's a 4 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.